So you get the idea. I'm not going to show the whole thing. But another different way to do a video that's simpler and kind of fun for students to do. This was a big moment when they're freshmen. We were doing genocide, and I said to them, I want you to make a video. I don't think it had to be a public service announcement, but a video about genocide, and they all had to pick different genocides. And they're starting to go through it, and this one kid raised his hand and finally said, we get all what you want us to do, but we don't understand, Mr. Kaku, what do you want the video to look like? And I said, I don't know. And it was just this moment where it finally clicked with this class of, I'm not going to tell you exactly how to do something. You have to figure it out and be creative yourselves. And that's the first time where it was like, okay, we're done. We're taking away the spoon, and you're going to start to figure it out on your own. And it's a process. They're not going to get that right off the bat. But it was a really big moment for that group of kids to say, oh, I'm not going to tell you what I want them to look like, because then they'll all look like that. And so this is one video I got. I got other ones that look like documentaries. I got, what was the other different variety I got? So we will get into how we break down grading more later, but we grade the presentation and things separately from the content.
Okay.
So if you get the content, you're getting the content, but then how good your presentation is a different set of skills. Right. And for you, it's a little bit more integrated because the presentation oftentimes is a skill in English that you're grading. So it depends on what you're looking for there, but that's very transparent up front. So for me, I'm grading the content, and then the English grade comes in on the presentation side oftentimes. So it's possible to have all the content and do a lousy product and do well in this part of the grade and terrible in that part of the grade. In the content, we always tend to grade individually too, so to balance that out for equal work. I'm going to go back to this one. Please ignore the fact that they use abolition instead of suffrage in it. But other than that, this is a different process. Same thing for the Girls on the Run.